be way up here. You don't want to be way down there. You want them just right. Hey, what's going on, guys? It's me, Quincy. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to do the duet layout feature that everyone's doing on TikTok with the lady from Target scanning groceries. Because now I have the feature and how to put you on top and then she can be on the bottom. Keep watching. So obviously, if you've seen my previous video, now I have the feature, or should I say it's on my wife's phone. So I'm going to show you how to do that duet feature and change the layout so that you can do it and go back to TikTok and apply it. Many of you said in the last video that I did that you guys spent hours, and one person, if I can find that comment and put it here, said they spent 5 hours trying to figure this out, and they're glad that they watched my last video because it saved them some more time, I guess, instead of spending 5 more hours. It's actually easier than I thought, but once I realized that it was on my son's phone and my wife's phone, I went to it and it was easy. And it's either you have the feature or you don't. There's really no way around it. Alright guys, so here's the video with 16.1 million likes. We'll click on it and you will see the Target cashier lady at the bottom. I think it's Target. You see the duet option right there. You want to go ahead and click on that. And of course, let me flip this around. The option right here on your right. So let's go ahead and click that where it says layout, and you will see the options on the bottom. It says left and right. Right here it says, or you can put it from top to bottom, and then it also says, or you can have 3 screens. So what you want to do, move her to this side, over here to your right where it says switch on your right hand side. You want to click that. Boom, puts her over there. Now you want to hit that middle button where it says top to bottom, and then you want to hit switch right here on the bottom right. Boom, puts me on top, and now you're like, oh man, but all I see is the register, or you know. So hey, if you didn't know and if you've already tried this but you still couldn't figure it out, put your hand and hold it on that image on the bottom. Tap it, hold it, and look, it lets you move that up. You're welcome. I know you're like, man, I've been trying to figure it out. Now normally what you would do, I'm gonna take you with me. I'm moving all around right now. I'm gonna set you guys up on a ring light. You wanna make sure your shoulders are just right, and maybe even go like that. Now, if you watch my video on TikTok, it wasn't the best. Maybe I rushed it because I was excited to do the video. But I might do another one. And if you want, you wanna start off just like that. All right, so let's go ahead and do a little timer. Do a little timer, just like that. Come back, boom. And you wanna make sure that your shoulders are right, you know? Just like that. You know, you don't want to be way up here. You don't want to be way down there. You want them just right. Another thing that I didn't show you, we'll delete that. You want to use effects, and you want to download a grocery store background. Now I use this one right there. See how I changed the green screen background? Now let's try it again. Let's try it again. This is the one that I use. And I might do it again, but you want that shoulder line to match up right there. Alright guys, so that's pretty much how you do it, you know. Yeah.